Alrighty, everyone. So I just got a call from duckyvr that he wanted to show me something. Well, his rabbit apparently built it. Well, no, his rabbit bought it. He didn't build it, but he wants to show me it. Why is my voice always messing up on the mic? But he wants to show me it. So we're gonna drive over there. We're gonna take a look at what he bought. Alright, let's go. I know it always looks like I'm looking down, but I'm really not. I'm actually looking straight out the window. What did he buy? What did he buy? Wait, Twizzle, you might want to face me. So, duckyvr, what did he buy?
This life is so weird. Ever wondered what Gen Z is supposed to mean?
Okay, it's behind me. My car was in the way, hold on. Fuck! Ow. Alright, so it's behind me. Alright. Twizzle, what the fuck is that? Twizzle, what the fuck? And what is this? Twizzle, what? So why the fuck did you buy this? Yo, he wants me to test drive it? I mean, I could definitely do that, but like... That's a monstrosity! Put that down. I never drove in one of these. I have drove in a boom lift before, but I never drove this thing. I can go get my boom lift, but... What the fuck is this? Hey, let's see how fast you can go. Hey, it's pretty nice. It's smooth. Whoa, bro. You got the extending arms. That's cool. You might want to keep those for sport. I heard these things like tilt a lot while they're driving, even when the arm's not up, and that thing's fucking huge. Fucking Twizzle! Fuck. So fucking hard to drive this even when it's your first time. Yeah, she runs perfectly, but... He's back in. Oh, the cabin moves. Wait, he's back in. Yeah, the cabin moves. That's cool. Yeah, this thing's freaking cool. So, edit. Oh, you want me to compare it to my boom lift? I got you. Yeah, I got you. Where's my fuck? Fuck it, he extended my arm on it. Alright, here's my boom lift. I bought her a few months ago. Well, I bought her around like 5 months ago when I bought the game. I don't know when I started playing it, I completely forgot. Oh, I'm enjoying this new project today update. Alright. So what do you want me to do? Oh, okay. You want to have a war between them. My boom lift gonna win. Because this movement literally has a buckshot at the end. Bucket. It's gonna take me a minute to actually get in the green lift because it literally sucks. There we go. That's all. That's all. Oh, fucking one of that motherfucking beast. We gotta extend the arm. Alright. Here we go. The arm is up. Alright, now we gotta get this thing all fucking good as that. You know what? Do you want to have a war? Twizzle? I'm taking your son, and he's coming on board with me. Fucking ducky! Yep, you know what? Oh no! Please don't fucking kill me, I'm so fucking sorry. He's a little chubby. So fucking chubby. Look how chubby it is. Alright, there we go. Oh, fuck, I screwed the fuck up. Oh, fuck, I screwed it up again. Where? Fucking Twizzle's gonna have a great time. Better hope. Or I don't really know how to operate this. Twizzle's going up. Alright. Come on, you're going up. Keep going. Come on, keep extending arm. No. Oh, the point. Ready to go to war? Well. I think definitely has a bigger arm than my fucking thing. That works sense. Hold on. Put it down just a little bit more so it can be decent. Ugh! Fucking get rammed! Deploy. That took it down like a bait! Come on! Okay, put it back in. Speed is so fucking okay. Put the arm back in. Put the arm back down. Okay, arm going down. Okay. Twizzle, hold on tight, because we're about to hit this bitch. Oh, yeah. Fuck. Come on, I can manually do it. Come on, I know I can do it. Come on. I need something I could hitch on to. Yeah, this thing's too fucking heavy. I know I can get us out of this monstrosity. Oh no. At least Twizzle ain't fucking dead, because I know someone would be mad at me. Trying to get the motor. What? You got a twister here. Clutching. Oh, there's my stuff. What? Oh fuck! I ran over my prototype. Smooth like butter. A criminal undercut. Go for these. No, these are controlled by fucking. Fuck you. Better be my dirt bike static. Good, fucker, that's my dirt bike static. Let's go. Using this one also out the clutch. Yep. Valley, right? Yep, there it is. Okay, I can't lie, this is my favorite right now. I got my dirt bike static. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. This one's best for off-roading. Yeah. This bike is definitely best for off-roading. No hands! Alright, now it's time for this new fucking car. Let's go. Alright, clutch. That's what I was supposed to do with clutch. Let's go. Thumbs up, A+. Clutch. Okay, this car is definitely good on the racetrack. Alright, let's go to the newest map. Oh, the racetrack is back! Alright, let's go to vehicles, cars. Let's get the upgraded go-kart. Alright, pull it. That's a cool car. How are we gonna get the royal bugger? You can't doubt anything on this guy. This thing is so fucking monstrosity. Like this thing don't have clutch. It's kind of hard to steer. What the fuck? Nice car. Fuck. Ow. Okay, let's get this video out.